Why aren't more people talking about the risks behind all this smart safety gear? Sure, that helmet might ping your boss if you trip, but does it actually make you safer or just more anxious? Let's break it down. Alright, so you're on the job, maybe construction, maybe a factory. You got smart helmets checking for impacts, sensors tracking your heart rate, and GPS tags making sure your supervisor knows where you are every second. Sounds like Tony Stark level stuff, right? Here's the upside. These gadgets can flag heat stress, catch a fall, or call for help way faster than a human could. That's real-time protection. Pretty slick. But let's not kid ourselves. Tech can glitch, batteries die, false alarms happen. Next thing you know, everyone's scrambling over nothing, or worse, ignoring real emergencies because they're numb to alerts. And here's the kicker: privacy. You want safety, not Big Brother breathing down your neck. All that data? Somebody's watching. Plus, if folks start relying only on gadgets, they might skip the basics, like actually watching where they step. Bottom line, wearables are a solid backup, but they're not a magic fix. Real safety? That's still about people, training, and a little common sense. So, would you trust your life to a smart helmet? Or do you think tech's just making us soft? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like, and remember, sometimes the best safety device is your own brain.